Hello students, welcome to the online learning platform of NLK Group of School. Today I am going to discuss a new chapter of English language, that is future tense. First, let's see what is tense. A tense is a form taken by a verb to indicate the time of action. It is divided into three parts: the present tense, the past tense and the future tense. Now, here comes the future tense. The future tense tells about the incidents that will happen in the future. It is further divided into four parts. Those are simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. At first, I'll discuss simple future tense. The simple future tense is used to talk about an action that will begin and end in the future. For the example, we can see the format: subject plus will plus verb's first form plus object. For the example, we can see Beena will eat mango tomorrow. For making a negative sentence, we use subject plus will not plus verb's first form plus object. For the example, we can see Beena will not eat mango tomorrow. For making an interrogative sentence, first we'll use will, then subject, verb's first form, then comes object along with the question mark. Will Beena eat mango tomorrow? Then comes future continuous tense. The future continuous tense, also referred as future progressive tense. It is a verb tense that indicates something will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time. The format of future continuous tense is subject plus will be plus verb's first form with ing, then comes object. Example: it will be storming tomorrow. For making an negative sentence, we'll use subject plus will plus not be verb's first form along with ing and then comes object. For example, it will not be storming tomorrow. For making an interrogative sentence, first we will use will, then subject, then be, then verb's first form with ing and then comes object, afterwards question mark, and the example will be will it be storming tomorrow? Future continuous tense used to show that the actions in progress at a specific time in the future. Examples can be taken like at 12 o'clock tomorrow we will be having lunch at school. One another use we can see here: to emphasize future plans and intentions. Example: he will be coming to visit us next week. After that comes future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is for talking about an action that will be completed between now and some point in the future. The structure of future perfect tense is subject plus will plus have plus verb's third form plus object. In negative sentence, we use subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb's third form and then comes object. For an interrogative sentence, we use will plus subject plus have plus verb's third form along with object. So it is clear that in the future perfect tense, we use the past participle form of verb with will have. Now let's see the uses of future perfect tense. It is used to express an action which will have finished or completed before a specific time in the future. Example could be by 5 o'clock I will have finished my work. Another uses is it is used to express an action which will have finished or completed before another action in the future. Example: she will have cooked dinner by the time we arrive. It is also used to express an action which began before and will continue up until another action in the future. Example, by the next week, we will have been married for 20 years. At last comes future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is also known as future perfect progressive tense. It is a verb tense that describes action that will continue up until a point in the future. The structure of future perfect continuous is in affirmative sentence. First, we use subject, then will, then comes have been, then verb's first form with ing. Afterwards, we use for or since plus time. For negative sentence, first we use subject, then will not plus have been plus verb's first form with ing plus for or since plus time. For an interrogative sentence, first we use will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb's first form with ing plus for or since plus time along with question mark. We use the future perfect continuous tense to show that something will continue up until a particular event or time in the future. In that, we use like for 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, and since Friday. All are the durations which can be used with the future perfect continuous tense. For example, we can see she will have been performing duties since 2012. I think this video will helpful for you all. Thank you.